It's Sweet Sweet Jamaica 60. For this celebration, we will be sharing with you some of Jamaica's favorite foods and dishes. Do enjoy this journey down Jamaica Delights Lane. Picking the breadfruit. Let's see. Ooh, that's a good one. It's a good one there. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the breadfruit tree. Yeah, breadfruit tree. And this one is rotting on that side. Seemed like there was some fire or something. But yeah, that looks more like fire. Seems as though there's fire that went through that. Yeah. So this is picking another breadfruit. This on the handle. Yeah. Because it's in the sun towards the glare towards there. Let's see if we can change the handle. Woo! There it is. Oh, it's another one nearby. You're doing good, honey. Good job. Yeah. This one you can just pick. Yeah, all the latex. Yeah, I wanna capture this latex. So this is about 4 or 6 breadfruit. We need a 7th one, honey. There's number 7. There's a 7th one. But yeah, we're saving the latex. I'll try and save it. I need a bag. I need a bag to save it. It's running out. That's the stain. The stain is very good. Alright, so this is number 7. Number 7 is coming down. Number 7. Yeah. Woo. Number 7. Praise God. So yep, we can roast it, we can boil it. I'm gonna try to get that stain too. Right there. The latex. Yeah. So yep, these are the 7 great breadfruit. 7 great breadfruits. Awesome. And you can see this still has the latex coming out of it. Surprisingly, the latex can be used internally, so it can be diluted to make a good remedy for diarrhea, stomach aches, and also dysentery. According to webmd.com, dysentery is an infection in your intestines that causes bloody diarrhea. It can also be caused by parasite or bacteria. The latex can be used externally. Fresh latex can be bandaged to the spine to relieve sciatica and rubbed into the skin against skin diseases. The latex can also be used for broken bones and also sprains, as it is rubbed gently into the skin. So there you have it. The breadfruit is not just for food or reduces high blood pressure and asthma and diabetes, but is also great with other health benefits. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.